Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's start with our trade on our New Zealand dollar USD. New Zealand dollar, by the way, to our US dollar. This is our trend. We are trading to the downside. Now, take a look at what this market is doing. Here's our low. This is also the lower high. Here's also our lower low. Here comes the lower high. Here's our lower low. This is our lower high. Here is our lower low. This is our lower high. Notice that the lower low, we're taking out the previous low. We're taking the previous low. This lower low here took out this previous lower low. For me, a new lower low. Now we got a new lower low here. You can see this new lower low took out this previous low. This new one took out this previous one. Now this is our lower high. Market is pulling back up. Now our next movement on USD and New Zealand dollar USD is another lower low. So basically, for swing traders, you would want to be hopping in for the sell once we get the sell set up. So our next movement on New Zealand dollar USD is to the downside. We should be looking for the sell. Now that should now take us to the forward time frame. So there is a multiple rejection here. As you can see, very soon it is kind of forming like a channel something, but very soon we would expect markets to drop and break this low. That is what markets will be doing, as you can see. But probably once you get the breakouts, maybe this is your trend line, right? Once market breaks this trend line, it pulls back a little bit, then we will start expecting that sell. Maybe if that is the sell setup you look out for, it's up to you. So whatever thing you would want to be doing is that you should be expecting a sell anytime soon. Also know that there's a multiple rejection around this level. Market has been failing to break above this level multiple times. You can see it has been failing to break above this level multiple times. So drop, go back, and a continuous movement to the downside is what will most likely happen on our New Zealand dollar US dollar. So stay updated and follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section.